Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about sample project on sales data. So today we are doing a project on Power BI. So first of all, I will share the data that I have received from my client. Uh, this is the data I have received from my client. So based on this data, we need to prepare their requirements. These are the requirements of our client. So here we can see the requirements. First one is total sales from all over the world, online and offline. And next one is top 5 items by sales and profit in tooltip. These all are I will explain next one step by step. So bottom 5 items by sales and profit in tooltip. Create card visual for total sales, total cost, and total profit, and apply size slicer for region and order type. Slicer is nothing but filter. So these are the requirements of my dashboards uh, of my client. So I need to prepare my dashboard in Power BI and I need to give back to them. So first of all, we'll open the Power BI. So this is the Power BI. So first we will import the data into data from Excel. So this is a CSV file I have received from my client. This is 11 MB. So I'm importing it to Power BI. So I have clicked on open. So this is based on first 200 rows. Here we can find the data type detection. So that we need to change it to entire data. 1 lakh rows are there as we have seen. So we need to click on based on entire data and we need to click on transform. So this is the data type and then click on transform load. When we import the data, we need to do basic transformations. So if it is everything is fine, then no need to do transformation. If it is any transformation needed, then we need to do it in transformation, that is Power Query Editor. So just click on transformation data, transform data. So then automatically we will go to the Power Query Editor. Here we can find the Power Query Editor. So here in view tab, we can find the column quality and column profile. So we need to see that. So just we need to see the column quality. If required, we need to see everything. So here, if we see the column quality is errors are 0 and empty is 0. So there are nothing empty columns and empty rows and errors. So nothing is we don't have any errors and empty columns. If we have anything, then we need to transform based on our requirements. So if the entire data is 100% is valid, so there is no need to do any transformation. So I'm clicking on I'm checking the column quality. So if basically what we need to do is if we need to check the basically data types, is everything is correct or not. If we own without checking the data types, we won't get the data accurately and it won't show the correct charts and we won't get the correct visuals. So for that, if we want the correct data accurately, so we need to be more cautious and more specifically we need to focus on data types. So this is a region is what nothing but names only. So this is in ABC, that is we click there. Here we can see the ABC format. ABC is nothing but text. So this is in correct format only. Next one is country. Country also should be in text format only. Item type, that is fine, and sales channel is fine, and order priority. So this is also in text type only. And as it is a date, always date should be in the date format. So that is the reason here we can see the calendar symbol. So this should be in calendar type only. So this is fine. And next one is ordered ID. So ID is here we can see the numbers. That is the reason automatically it is in the numbers format. whole number. So automatically it will recognize, but we need to check is that in the correct format or not. We need to check before doing any any before doing before closing the editor. We need to check is this in the correct format or not. So as it is a unit price, here we can see the unit price is 152.28. So that is the reason here we can see decimal number is here. So this is why this data is in this column is in decimal number, because here we can see the 9.33 IT 1.73. So that is the reason. If we see the quantity, this is in number only. That's why this is whole number. This data type is in whole number. This data type is in decimal number. So this is also correct only. But if you even unit cost is also correct data type only. And if you see the revenue is in total. So total revenue is in numbers only. So, but if we see the data type, this is in text format. So this is not recognized automatically. So we need to change it to the number or decimal number. As we see the 1,42,509.72. So 0.72 is here. So that's why I'm taking it number only, decimal number only. So we need to replace the current. So we need to click on current. So just I will click on Control Z once. We don't, for this current Control Z is not working. Once I will check it once. Text. So same only 1,42,509.72 decimal number 1,42,509.72. So that is same only, but data type is changed. So that we need to be more, we need to take care of it. So and even total cost is also number format. That should be in decimal number because we have the points in the at the end. So we need to it should be in number format. And total profit also, this is not text, this is in decimal number. So we need to change it to the decimal number. So this is what we need to do in transformation. So all are in decimal numbers only, from unit price to total profit. That should be changed in Power Query Editor. Rest of the all are date format, ship, sold. So these all are in right format only. Then after that we need to go to the, we need to close and apply. We need to click on close and apply. Then we need to the desktop. So after clicking on close and apply, we will come back to our canvas page, that is Power Query, Power BI desktop. So if you click on this drop down button, here we can see the all columns from our table sales records. So if you see the total revenue, total profit, these all are automatically, we have the summation symbol. And in more, if you click on one tab, automatically it will show category as summarize and format is general. If you click on region, that is in text format, so it won't show as a summarize option. So it is in the text format and it will show as a don't summarize option. If we take that that text format for this one, so it won't show as a summarize option. So we won't get the visual accurately and it won't be visible clearly. So if we will get the data like visual, like clumsy visual we will get. So always must be, we need to check the data types for our columns, our fields. So this is the primary thing what we need to do before doing the dashboard. That is a primary responsibility. After, so this is, so now we have imported our Excel file, CSV file into Power BI, and now we are making dashboard based on our requirements. These are the requirements. So first what we need to do, total sales from all over the world, online and offline separately. After that, online and separately, that with the help of slicer, we can create one slicer for the type. Next one is top 5 items by sales, uh, item by sales. Here, I think top 5 items by sales and profit in tooltip. Okay, bottom 5 items by sales and profit in tooltip. So first we will do these two visuals, top 5 items by sales. So we need to take this column chart and top 5 items we need to take item wise. Sales is nothing but revenue. So this is a chart for that. These all are the item. These are the item wise sales. But what we need is for this, we need only for top 5. For that, what we need to do is we need to apply filters. So here we have a visual level filter. So here we need to take the top end function. So here we need to give like top or bottom. So here we need to give the 5 and by value total revenue. So we need to give the total revenue in this field, then apply filter. So here we can see only 5 types. Before it was all types, but after giving the after applying the filters, only we can see 5 bar diagram for 5 bars. So this is how we need to create, and for this we need to we will edit like we will edit, and we need to add the tooltip also. That is tooltip top 5 items by sales and profit and tooltip. So they need to see the they want to see the profit for this. So what we need to do is we need to add profit in tooltip. So this is how we need to so if we click on, so now we can see the profit also. Before we can't see the profit, so now we can see the profit as well. So now we need to edit this one. For that we need to click on format painter, then data colors. So for that we will give each one color. Data labels, we need to give the data labels. So data tables units in there it is showing as a billion, but we need to change it to millions. All the numbers are in millions only. So but here it is space is not showing. So based on if we increase the size, so if we increase the size then it is fine. Orientation of labels, so that's I'm not giving inside and outside. If we want inside the bar, then it will be inside only. So as it is a big number, it is not showing there. So if we give the outside, then it will come outside for all that one. So I'm not giving anything, I'm giving auto. So auto will be auto. And next thing, size, text size. So I'm increasing for that. So we can see it clearly. And next thing, title, total revenue. So here we need to give the title top 5 items by sales. So this is the one. Heading is normal, alignment middle. I give alignment as middle, and next one background. I'm not giving anything background. So shadow, I'm giving shadow. Here we can see here you can see that nothing is here now. So if I click on if I click on, then here you can see the shadow. So that is one model, and already tooltip is here. So this is how to format visuals in Power BI. So now I have prepared this one, and what we need to do is, now this is how it look like. Top 5 items by sales, and next one is top bottom 5 items by sales and profit in tooltip. So just I will what I will do is, just I will copy this one and paste here only. So here we can see already pasted. So I'm drawing it down. This is in top, this is in the bottom. So here what I need to change is, here I need to see here this, in this same, here in second one also sales only, in third one also sales only, but in second one this, that is top 5 sales, in third one bottom 5 sales. So I'm just only clicking on filter and visual level filter, and I'm changing it to top end to bottom end. So here automatically you can see bottom 5 sales, and click on apply. So the first 5 items are household office supplies, cosmetics, meat and baby food, and least bottom 5 are vegetables and clothes and personal care, beverages and foods. These are the bottom 5 sales. So here the company needs to improve their sales. So this visual is showing bottom 5 sales. So what I'm doing is, just I'm clicking on this, and here I'm clicking on this visual, and I'm clicking on here format painter. I'm clicking on here. So automatically all the changes will come, but why it's not coming? So no problem, we'll change it in data colors. So I know what we need to do is, we need to change the title also. Title. These are the two visuals we have created. First one is top 5 items by sales. Next one is bottom 5 items by sales. So this is what we have created as of now. So next one is create card visual for total sales, total cost and total profit. So we need to take the card visual. Here what we need to take is total cost. So this is showing in billion. So we need to change it to million, and we need to edit it, data labels, million. We need to change it to millions. So here we can see millions, and color. Arial black. So we can attractive, it will look attractive. Next one is category, title. Only title, but we need to change this one. We don't need the title. Shadow and tooltip. Here we can change the category. So we will select it as that one also. Calibri. Background. In background we will give, no, this is not looking good. This is we need to select the attractive one. So this is the one. So done with the color revenue, and in this I need to select total profit. So first one, second this one. So easily they can identify the total profit and total revenue, total cost and total profit. So this is how we need to prepare it. So now we are done with this one, but we need to change the background color. It seems it's not looking good. So what I will do is I will change the background color of this one. This is fine. So now I have done with card visuals. Then next one is create apply slicer for region and order priority. We need to take slicer for region. Region, and we need to take the item criticality priority, order priority we need to take. So and another slicer is we need to create it for year also. So because here we have so many years, so we need to create it for. So what we need to do in this region, what we need to select is date. So date, order date. This one we need to take. So we need to take hierarchy, and we need to remove the quarter, month, and day. So we'll get only years. So we need to change this format to vertical. So here we have a selection controls, not this one. In general, we have a orientation that we need to change it to horizontal. So this is how it looks like. And same way we'll change it priority also. First of all, we'll do only for this one. Selection controls, single select and multi select with control. Here we have so many options. If we select the control, and if you want to select multiple items, then it will. So here we have selected 2 countries, so that is showing here. So I have switched on that option. So if I don't want anything, I can click on another, show selection all options. So here I have a select all option. Like if I want to select all, then I can select that one. So this is how it will. So in the same way, we'll do it for order priority also. Orientation we need to change to vertical too. So here we can find easily critical. In the same way, we will do it region for region also. So first of all, the thing is we will change this pattern. We need to edit this one. I'm reducing the size of this one. So here I'm decreasing the size of it so I can see the number. Then click on format vendor, then click here. So automatically size will be reduced. So then what we need to do is we need to take this one. Background. Just I'm increasing font size so that we can identify clearly. So just I'm adjusting it as per requirement. So then selection control and switch off the switching of select all. So now I can clearly see the number. Then click on format painter. This in the same way we'll do it for this one also. So this is how it looks like. We'll change the labels as well. Outline color. Next thing, we need to edit it one by one. Items, font color, black, and we need to increase font size as well. And Arial black font size. So we can see the country name, and background is, so that's clear, but this is not. So this is how we need to. Now we have completed our top 5 sales and bottom 5 sales and total revenue, total cost and total profit, year wise sales also. If we select the 2012, only we will get the 2012. This is a dynamic sales, dynamic report. How we have prepared it. So this is how we need to select, prepare the dashboard for sales on Power BI dynamically. So now what we need to give is just we need to give the dashboard name. So for that we need to select the text box. So and we need to select the text box and we need to drag it to the top. So we need to select that one and we need to drag it over there. And we need to sales type as sales dashboard. So and we need to select it and we need to increase the size of the font. Just need to click this one and that should be in middle. So and it should bold, Arial block, underline. So this is very clear. Says not to be changed. Times new Roma. So this is good. So this is how we need to prepare the sales dashboard. If you have any visuals or any logos, we need to select and we need to we can put it over here. If I have any visuals from market, so if I want to insert any buttons or any shapes, images, I can import it from my screenshots or my file. I can put it like this, but I can't. I don't have any logo, so I'm not putting any designs. So this is how we need to prepare the sales dashboard. If I want to select only Asia country, then I need to just select the Asia country and I can find the only Asia related sales. If I want to select only Australia, then I can find easily. I can find the Australia related sales, and this is how we need to select. If I want to two countries, Central America and Europe, just I need to click on control and I need to select that one also. So now I both are selected. So this is data related to both the countries. If I don't want, just I can click once, so automatically it will remove. And here also I need to remove. So this is how it will look like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. So once we'll check it. So we have created everything. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.